Hello friends, on the Weller channel. Today I will show you how to download Windows 10 ISO file for free and legally officially. Go to Google, write download Windows 10, go to the official website, select Windows 10 and click download. Open the file we downloaded. And we are waiting for the end of this process. Next, click on the apply button, like accept. Next, click create installation file, yes. Click Next, select Settings here, Language, Version, respectively, and Architecture. Click Next. Click ISO file, click Next, and save it wherever you need, for example on the desktop, that's it. And accordingly, after completing this process, you will have an ISO file of this version of the program, that's all. Weller was with you. Subscribe to the channel.